Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I post tutorials that help you design, customize, and grow your Shopify store with confidence. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store by adjusting the color schemes to give your online presence a fresh and personalized look. So let's jump right in and start this exciting journey of customization. A consistent color palette isn't just about looks. It's about brand recognition. Using your brand's colors across your store can make it more memorable and professional in the eyes of your customers. First, what you'll need to do is head over to your Shopify account and log in. Once you're successfully on the homepage of your Shopify dashboard, you'll want to look for the Online Store section in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Click on Online Store, and this will bring you to a page where you can manage the appearance and feel of your store. This is where all the creative customization begins, from layout changes to brand styling. From here, direct your attention to the Theme section. On this page, next to your current theme, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on Customize. This choice is crucial, as it leads you into the world of design and aesthetics. Here, your creative journey begins. Before making big design changes, it's always smart to duplicate your theme. This creates a backup version so you can safely experiment with new styles without worrying about losing your original setup. Once you're in the customization interface, look for the Theme Settings tab, usually tucked away on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will unveil a new menu filled with options to style your store, with colors being among them. Select the Colors option. This step is where the magic starts. You'll be greeted by a realm of hues and shades that you can apply to different sections of your store. But don't just stop at surface changes, dive a little deeper. Look for an option called Schemes. This is where you can really start to make your mark on the appearance of your store. When selecting your color scheme, aim for 3 core tones: a primary color brand accent, a secondary color to complement the first, and a neutral background color to maintain balance and readability. These 3 tones create visual harmony and improve the shopping experience. Click on Schemes, and then dive into customizing to your heart's content. You can mix, match, and experiment until you've crafted a palette that perfectly represents your brand. If your store caters to a luxury audience, try neutral or gold tones. For bold creative brands, vibrant colors like orange, turquoise, or pink can grab attention and convey energy. After you've made adjustments to your desired scheme, ensure you hit the Save button. This critical step locks in all those beautiful changes you've made so they transform from temporary to permanent. With the colors now customized, it's time to revisit the main sections we want to update. Return to the main navigation on your right and return to the header sections. Go ahead and click on Header. In the header section, you're going to repeat the process of clicking on colors just like before. After selecting colors, direct your focus to the default option. Now, this might be the default setting, but we have something much more custom in store. Here's where you get to integrate the newly created color scheme by clicking on the scheme you just added a moment ago. Your header is the first thing customers see. Make sure it's both visually appealing and easy to read. Avoid overly bright text colors that clash with your background, and ensure your logo stands out clearly. Once you've applied your edits, don't forget to hit Save. This last save step ensures all the effort you've put into creating a visually stunning and cohesive look for your store comes to life. After saving, use the Mobile Preview option top toolbar to make sure your color scheme looks good on smaller screens too. A color combination that works on desktop might appear too harsh or dark on mobile. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your Shopify store with your unique color scheme. Feel free to revisit and tweak these settings until you find that perfect representation of your brand. Remember, consistency is key. Sticking to your brand colors across banners, buttons, and text helps create a unified experience that customers instantly recognize. Thanks for following along, and happy Shopify customizing! If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, comment below with what kind of design videos you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials that help you create a store that stands out.